today I will show you how to redeem the CapCut invitation code so that you have 7 days gratis Pro. For this we will need the basics: a CapCut account, a computer where CapCut has never been installed, and a Gmail that has never been registered in CapCut. And with that, we will be able to have 7 days of CapCut Pro. Totally free. I'm tired of looking for tutorials. That did not serve. But here's the tutorial. Correct. And yes, CapCut is a bit of a cheat. But we found the shot. Well, the first thing we are going to do is to enter CapCut. And here being in CapCut, let's check this version. And let's see if there are any update apparently available. Click in update and let's see what happens. We were in the 8.1.1 and we will update to 8.20, which was launched on February 10th of the 2026, and today is the 8th of March of the 2026. Here we are in the reaction S 8.2.0. Let's look for it anyway. An update says that the reaction is the most recent then, and what we are going to do is in our account, the other account will still be activated. This Pro function for 7 days. Let's invite a friend. And yes, and we are going to copy this invitation link. Here we have to make some details we can invite. Well, it says it precisely here. To enjoy these benefits, both on computer and cell phone, it is possible to get 70 days of the Pro version. To limit 10 friends, so once we do this logically, as I say, a team is required where you do not have installed. Previously, the CapCut would require 10 equipment, 10 email accounts. To do this process, these 10 times, and get these 70 days for free. And then when we are tired, we can use one of those accounts that we have already created for. Do the same ready then. Those are like the observations we copied this guest link, and we'll move on to this other team to this. This is where I have to connect it. I don't know if I have the charger to teach and show them what we are going to do to activate it. So give me a moment's worth. Ready once. Let's be in the new team. Remember very punctually, we require a computer where CapCut has never been installed, and also a Gmail account that has never been registered for for CapCut, sorry. Then what we do is enter the link we generate in our main team or from our main account, and will take us to this page. On this page, what we have to do is simply copy this code and he downloads it. Automatic. I download it again here. Yes, I already had it. Install what is the CapCut application. So here we will wait this moment to install CapCut on this equipment to show them how to jump that trap. I've been looking for in several places. How to redeem codes. But some said a part, others said another. And there are people who say no, it doesn't work for me. This video and they go around are close, but what it is today, March 8th of this 2026, the form to redeem these invitation codes is the one I'm going to show you. Then, a bit hidden, that must be said for all. But what is possible? Well, now that it has been realized, the installation of what is CapCut in this team where never before was CapCut, we are going to verify the steps we have to follow in order to redeem this code. Ready then. Let's wait for you to test the environment, to tell us that it is fully functional, and we will run the CapCut application. Please remember a team where CapCut has never been installed before and an email that has never been registered in CapCut. Let's pay attention to the following. When we open CapCut for the first time, we get these terms. Of service, we are going to accept them, and let's close here. In this section here, you can get CapCut Pro. But we are not going to sync it yet. If we sync it, we will simply get we join. Let's go to the Pro and make the subscription. What we are going to do in this section, here in Software Update Manager, we are going to simply close it. Let's close it. We close it. We copied this version and we open again. The CapCut, yes. No matter how silly it may seem, we close it. And we open again. What is CapCut? Once we open it again, it appears. This other section, we are going to close it. And what we are going to do is log in. Let's log in with what Gmail is all about. So it's the way more practical to perform this. This step, and what we are going to do, is with the account that it has never been registered in CapCut. Let's create a CapCut account. Once we continue with these installation steps and the whole thing, what we are going to do is click here where it says how to open in CapCut. Click there. And this should send CapCut so that we can finish the registration process, entering the dates. Let's see what happens around here if we hit it here. Exactly year A. 1980-year-old. Month the same, January, February, day, whatever, and confirm. Once we give is playing, these will appear to us. H signs. Users, this is already when we log in. What we are going to do here, let's close the CapCut. Once again, what we checked is the opening of the CapCut in the East. In the new team. Come on, while opening CapCut here now to copy this code here. See if he feels like opening. Oh, you know that we discovered the trap and he does not want to open. Well, now it is. We see 2 notifications. Very important is notifications that we cancel it, but we see the design one and it has to appear to us is why I don't know. Don't ask me, but it has to appear to us this design. And we give you an understanding now. Special care in this. What we are going to do is leave here where it says to get CapCut gift once. We have closed and opened the CapCut all these times and that it appears to us. Design of it and click here. Now this beautiful window does appear. Well, the only thing we will have to do is to copy the code. And we are going to give you CapCut. In this case, or in the case that our team has never had the account, and that our our team has never had CapCut installed, and our account is available, will be available, that we could redeem what was CapCut in the team. Then we wait a moment and here it appears. CapCut Pro renews time 7 days free of charge. And we move on to the other team. In the other team we close this window here, and if we do not get an update, what we can do is close what is CapCut. We close CapCut. We open again what is CapCut, and we have been shooting this video for about half an hour. But between facilities and installations, we already managed to do it for you. 5 minutes maximum. I don't believe much less. And when we opened CapCut in our team, here in the part upper left as well as the other account, should appear to us that we already have the Pro. Exactly, now we have Pro functions, and we can now use what is CapCut with the Pro functions, so we enter here. The subscription service good we will indicate everything you have that CapCut Pro has. And when we invite friends, must now be fully updated. The days we have, and the friends we have invited, and in this way is how we can redeem invitation codes to obtain CapCut Pro. Our computers, our cell phones, remember that those accounts that we are registering them, we can use them at CapCut Mobile, so we would also have Edge CapCut not on PC and in mobile version. So not being more humble, I hope that this video is totally useful for you who like it, to subscribe and comment if it has helped you. This trick, or this way, obtain the codes, to redeem CapCut invitation codes, and thus encourage us to continue creating content about this wonderful and excellent application that is now a paid application, and that would be all. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, so you can get free CapCut. Remember, has to be a team where CapCut has never been installed, and an account of Gmail that has never been registered for CapCut. There we leave to the creativity of the people. If they do not want, installed it on several devices. The possibility of installing them on a machine. I don't know anyone in comments to do the experiment, and share with us if it has worked for you. So much for your Latino friend. Tech David, have a great day or night.